Hello guys, I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic configuration and setting for dialers like video dial, go to dial, and other PBX software. So once again guys, before you watch my video, kindly please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you always updated on my latest video. So for today, our tutorial is all about the Vicidial on how to enable the AMD. So AMD, so on the campaign so that you will receive lessen the answering machine. So once the call forward to agent, so most of the time is they get a live call, not an automated machine or voicemail from the customer. Okay, so I have here an a manager's manual. This is I bought this how many years ago, is 2.9. So to set up outbound to do an answering machine detection. So as you can see here, answering machine detection gives you ability to send more live customer calls to agents. On an outbound campaign, instead of sending them calls, they only have voicemail or answering machine on the other end. But the downside of AMD, they they add more, or if you use BPS or cloud, at least you have more CPUs and RAM so that they can cater more some AMD processing. So because if you enable the AMD, they had additional processing for to process the call, because I will show you later on how AMD works on CLI logs on the asterisk. Okay, so uh, this one, as per math, instead of you enable after as math, so instead to enable the AMD, so we recommend the setting to dial timeout to 22 or 26 seconds. So to, to avoid when voicemail answering machines are set to pick up. Okay, so other method of answering machine, this available using Vicidial is Sogma. So this one is a paid license if you have, so you can integrate it. But this AMD settings is said is 97% accuracy. Okay. And then okay, so to set up the AMD, so right now our BC dial, they have already built in the config on the extension. So as you can see, this the if you open the extension.conf, then you can find the x369 context. So you will see this one. Okay. Okay. And then after here, so test campaign PHP to activate AMD. So just go to the campaign and modify the VDAD extension to 8369. So I think it's from 8368 to 8369. Okay, so we're going to start now. I'll show you on how to create an auto dial campaign with AMD detection. Okay, so just going to add na a campaign. So test camp, I just put a test camp AMD. This is a test AMD campaign. And then so right now for next agent call, so if you want to set random or who is the longest wait time, so that the call, if you are your time, if you work 24 hours, you can set it 24 hours or something. Then submit. And then going down, so change your dial method to ratio. So if you want to change the multiplier, so if you want at least one, they can dial 2:1, like that. Okay, so save for now, submit. And then for the AMD detection settings, so as you can see, this one, the AMD. So you can enable the AMD, just go change the routing extension. So routing extension, you can change this one to, it said on the manual, 8369. So if you click this one, 8369 is used for answering machine detection. After that, the same behavior of 8369. So after the answering machine detection, and automatically same procedure with 8360. So the call will forward to available agents. So from here, the AMD type, so we can configure also this one, just AMD type. If you use a SOGMA or KMOP gateway, so this is to, they have, you need to pay it. So they have a license, you can visit their site and get a license. We can enable the AMD route option. Okay, so AMD, you can click enable this one, then click submit. Okay, so um the settings, you need to go back on the AMD agent route option. So just this one. Okay, so you can click this one, copy this one. Okay, and then click the AMD route option. As you can see, you will see the AMD route option using your test campaign AMD. Okay, then paste there, then submit. Okay, so now our AMD on campaign is already configured. Okay, so go back here. So we can make the test, but I don't have now on carrier. So I will go to my Twilio account. So I will configure the outbound carrier for the Twilio. Okay, so sweet. Okay, so we are in on my Twilio. So I just go to my zip trunk and manage trunks. Okay, so I will create a trunk. So VGAMDS. Create. So we are in now on the AMD. Okay, so this one for recording. Okay, just okay for this one. Save. Going to termination. So from the termination, you need to create your VGA. Again. Just put the VGA. Okay, and then you can add your IP address. Okay, so I need to add my IP address. BG Centos 8 AMG. Okay. Okay, and then okay, CPS1, CPS1. So I can use the Singapore. Just go to okay, just put over there. Okay, then save. And then we can now create an carrier. So we can copy this one. I will quick copy this. I will use. And then a new carrier. Video. This one. Video. Video, and then the domain or the host. Okay, so this one is peer. No username, no. Allow all. Okay. Okay, so I just copy all this one. Okay, and then the extension. Okay, so you can go to here. Twilio, then zip trunk. You can change this one to zip trunk. Okay, that will be nice. So because Twilio they need E64, so most all the call they have a plus sign. Okay, submit. And then we can try to make a test calls first. I will use my test account. Okay. I can use okay, so let's check campaign. So we will use the AMD test campaign. Oops, they said we don't have hooper. So I will disable first the hooper. So fine. Okay, hooper. For settings. So I don't have yet a list uploaded. And then if I refresh the page login, so I'm successfully logging on the server. Okay, so again, if I hit okay, so it's working. So I will make a test call on the Twilio number. Twilio number, so okay, so Twilio number, start the dial. So we have Twilio there. So make a request call because our number is not yet active. Okay, so Okay, so call is ringing now. So let's wait if we can hear the. Okay. Okay, so you can hear our voice. So our okay. So now we're going to upload on this to test uh if the Twilio is working. And phone, phone code. That's okay for now. That will the test the phone. Okay, and the phone code is one. Okay, I will use all the Twilio number. So and then just save the. I will save it to my documents. Test leads. 16 September 2020. Okay. And then I will upload the leads on my Vicidial. So list, add new list. Then campaign, test AMD, then activated. And then load the list, choose the file, and then go to document, and then look for your leads, test leads 2021. Open it, choose the campaign, custom layout, phone code override. You can click the phone code override. And also, if you want to remove the duplicate number, you can select any here, lead duplication check. Okay, so then start submit. So from here, you can select the phone, first name, and then the phone number. Okay, then okay to process. So as you can see, we have 8 good leads and 1 bad. Okay, so we can check now. Go back to admin. So this is our panel. So I will put the agent on ready. So let us check and look the dial plan. So as you can see here, you will see the AMD detection. It's working. So as you can see, from here, so just this one. So they waiting for detect, and then they don't have any voice. They heard. So the system, the AMD, automatically, or okay. So as you can see, AMD. Okay, Okay, so I received the first call, but I told you, uh, not all the calls uh, will filter on the AMD. Okay, so but it is working. As you can see, the call was routed to AMD detection, Twilio, then Twilio save silence, and then the AMD save Twilio. Okay, maximum length and duration detect all previous. Okay, and then hang up. So some calls are passing, some calls not passing. So it's not 100% if you use the built-in AMD of the Vicidial, but at least you you can uh, minimize the answering machine answered by your agent. So okay guys, so I think this is the tutorial for now on how to configure basic AMD settings on your Vicidial. So okay, so automated call. The call was hung up here because of the AMD detection activated. So as you can also change wait, you can also change the on the AMD settings on the campaign, so you can change the dialing timeout. So as per math, you can change to 20 to 26 seconds. Okay, so your call once answering machine detected, so we will also lessen it will help also to minimize the answering machine or the voicemail of the client. Okay, so as of now I did not receive any call because of the AMD. So let us check the reports. So if I go to the reports, outbound calling report. Okay, so answering machine, so they can identify it and busy busy. Okay, so let's check another reports. Uh, what's the other reports? Utility admin, AMD log. So our server, let's check it. So as you can see here, so the log, long greeting, wrong greeting. So then too long. So it means our answering machine detection is working on our campaign. So okay guys, so I think this is all for now on how to configure your basic answering machine on your busy dial. So once again, this is HBT tutorial, and thank you for my subscribers and watching and following my channel. So once again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video. Okay guys, if you want to get an Twilio account, you can click the referral code on my description below so that you can get a free $10 when you made the first top up on your account, so you will get a free $10 on your account. Okay guys, and also I have also Keep Solid VPN if you want to build your lifetime account on your Keep Solid VPN, so you can use that to protect your for securities and uh, safety browsing on your and unlock some black page or website in your account. Okay guys, thank you again and have a nice day. So stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.